This is the catfish. I just put some oil and the cat and the fish. And here's the salad, guys. This is all salad. So I'm gonna show you once it's done. Okay. Hello guys. Now I have added some garlic and I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. Now guys, you have to cook till it's ready. So the next one is I'm gonna show you how and add some garlic, peanut, soya sauce, sriracha, lemon, and some salt and yogurt. Hey guys, this is salad for my husband. Here, this one is just the regular salad, some fish, and this is peanut sauce, some tomato, celery, and carrots. For my baby, I have made like Italian pasta. And my little one, Italian pasta. And here is some leftover, guys. Ah, look at that.